Today I will be showing you an example of a quadratic formula word problem. The word problem is: a pencil is thrown across the classroom upwards at an initial velocity of 9.2 meters per second from a height of 1.6 meters above the ground. The height of the pencil in meters above the ground after t seconds is modeled by the equation h equals -4.9 t squared plus 9.2 t plus 1.6. How long does it take for the pencil to fall to the ground rounded to the nearest tenth? All we have to do to solve this equation is find the x value. To do this, we have to sub in h equals -4.9 t squared plus 9.2 t plus 1.6 into x equals -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. We first have to find the a, b, and c values from this. The a value is always the first term, which is -4.9, and the b value is always the second term, which is 9.2. The c value is the last term, which is 1.6. After subbing in the values of a, b, and c, you should get this equation. X equals -9.2 plus or minus the square root of 9.2 squared minus 4 times -4.9 times 1.6 divided by 2 times -4.9. And after multiplying these terms, you should get x equals -9.2 plus or minus the square root of 84.64 plus 31.36 divided by 2 times -4.9. After simplifying the square root bracket, you should get x equals -9.2 plus or minus the square root of 116. And after getting the square root, you should get x equals -9.2 plus or minus 10.77. Now you get two equations because there's a plus or minus sign right there. So one is x equals -9.2 plus 10.77 divided by -9.8, and the other is x equals -9.2 minus 10.77 divided by -9.8. For this, the answer you get is x equals -0.16. Because of the negative sign right there, this cancels out, and this cannot be the answer. For this, after simplifying it, you get x equals 2.03, which if you round it, you get x equals 2. Therefore, the answer is it takes 2 seconds for the pencil to fall to the ground.